Climate change is no longer a distant threat. It's a present reality shaping the lives of billions across the globe. In recent months, the evidence has become even more stark. A major scientific report released in June 2025 revealed that climate change has added an entire month of extreme heat for roughly 4 billion people worldwide. This isn't just a statistical anomaly. It's a profound shift impacting health, infrastructure, and the rhythms of daily life. The intensification of heat waves has brought a surge in heat-related mortality rates, while compounding existing health issues such as cardiovascular stress and respiratory illnesses. For millions, adapting to this new normal is an urgent and ongoing challenge. As temperatures climb, the domino effect extends far beyond the thermometer. Rising sea levels remain one of the most visible and alarming symptoms. Melting ice caps and expanding oceans are steadily encroaching on coastlines, threatening cities with flooding and saltwater intrusion into freshwater sources. For many communities, the threat isn't theoretical. It's tangible and immediate. Emergency services are strained as they respond to increasingly frequent and severe hurricanes, wildfires, and droughts. In 2024 alone, the world witnessed a record number of weather-related disasters, each leaving lasting scars on landscapes and livelihoods. Biodiversity is another casualty in this unfolding crisis. Ecosystems are shifting, habitats are shrinking, and food chains are unraveling. Species that once thrived are now inching toward extinction, unable to keep pace with the rapid changes in their environment. The loss of biodiversity isn't just a tragedy for nature. It's a warning sign for humanity. Healthy ecosystems provide clean air, water, and fertile soil, and their decline jeopardizes the very foundation of human well-being. The roots of climate change reach deep into our daily lives. Human activity, especially the burning of fossil fuels, stands as the principal driver. Every gallon of gasoline, every ton of coal burned, releases carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases that trap heat in our atmosphere. Deforestation and land use changes further accelerate the problem by releasing stored carbon and reducing the planet's capacity to absorb emissions. Agriculture, particularly meat production, adds methane and nitrous oxide, potent greenhouse gases, to the mix. The cumulative effect is a warming planet, more extreme weather, and mounting threats to human health and prosperity. Yet amid these daunting challenges, there is cause for hope. In the United States, the effort to curb emissions has gained ground. The Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, reported in November 2024 that fuel economy reached a record high, while greenhouse gas emissions from new vehicles fell to a record low. The EPA's annual Automotive Trends report showed that new vehicle CO2 emissions declined to 319 grams per mile, marking a significant milestone in the automotive sector's journey toward sustainability. This progress reflects a broader shift toward cleaner technologies and more efficient energy use. Internationally, the response has been equally dynamic. The European Union, in partnership with Algeria and Tunisia, announced an ambitious project in February 2023, the construction of a subsea pipeline designed to export green hydrogen to Europe by 2030. Green hydrogen, produced using renewable energy, represents a promising alternative to traditional fossil fuels. This initiative is a cornerstone of the EU's commitment to achieving net zero emissions and diversifying energy sources, reducing reliance on oil and gas. The collaboration signals a growing recognition that climate change demands cross-border cooperation and bold innovation. These recent developments are part of a broader tapestry of legislative actions, international collaborations, and technological advancements. Governments are enacting policies to regulate emissions, incentivize renewable energy, and promote sustainability. Scientists are pioneering new methods to capture carbon, improve efficiency, and reduce waste. Businesses are investing in clean technologies, shifting supply chains, and reimagining their roles in a low-carbon economy. And individuals, too, are making choices, ranging from energy-efficient appliances to reduced food waste, that collectively add up to meaningful change. But the stakes remain high. If we fail to act decisively, the consequences will be severe. Rising sea levels could displace millions, leaving communities searching for new homes and livelihoods. Extreme weather events could become the norm, straining resources and infrastructure. Agriculture and tourism, critical pillars of many economies, face growing risks from droughts, floods, and shifting seasons. Perhaps most troubling, climate change threatens to exacerbate existing inequalities. Vulnerable communities, often with the least capacity to adapt, bear the brunt of its impacts. Human health is already feeling the strain. Longer, more intense heat waves put millions at risk for heat stress, dehydration, and related illnesses. Air quality suffers as wildfires and ozone pollution spike. Changing climates foster the spread of infectious diseases as mosquitoes and other carriers expand into new regions. The intersection of environmental, social, and economic challenges makes climate change a truly global issue demanding a unified response. Despite the enormity of the challenge, there is reason to be optimistic. The transition to clean energy is accelerating. Solar and wind power are more affordable and accessible than ever. Electric vehicles are gaining popularity, and cities are investing in public transit and sustainable infrastructure. Communities are planting trees, restoring habitats, and reimagining their relationship with nature. Schools and organizations are educating the next generation of leaders, equipping them to tackle climate change with creativity and resolve. What can you do? It starts with awareness, understanding the science, the stakes, and the solutions. It continues with action, supporting policies that prioritize sustainability, making conscious choices in your daily life, and joining with others to amplify your impact. The journey toward a sustainable future is a collective one, built on countless individual steps. Climate change is a defining issue of our era, reshaping the world in profound ways. But it is also an opportunity, a chance to innovate, collaborate, and create a future that is cleaner, healthier, and more equitable. By staying informed, advocating for change, and embracing sustainable practices, we can help steer our planet toward a brighter tomorrow. The path ahead won't be easy, but together we have the power to make a difference. The story of climate change is still being written, and each of us has a role to play.